In this video, we are going to learn about Sketch Toy, a neat online little website which doesn't require any account setup or any personal identification in order to make drawings. It's found at sketchtoy.com. So let's take a look at this. Here's the basic interface. So here are the basic menu items that you can select from. And there are really only three main menu items that you need. One is to select the size of your drawing. So let's select one just a little bigger so it's obvious to see on the video. And we'll take a look at this in a moment, but there's actually a vibration built in, and we'll set it to 0 for now. And then you can select the color, and there are 18 colors here to choose from, so pick green. And that's basically it. Then you can go from there, and on this grid you can start to draw. So just show you kind of how it works. And you just move your mouse holding it down in order to draw what you want to draw. And you could be more precise than perhaps I'm being now. Go back and change the colors. So this, has uses K-12. You can use it in so many different ways. You can change the color again. And you could have one student working alone or several students working together on it by taking turns. And let's say that you feel like you made a mistake somewhere. Let's look at a couple of the other functions here. You can do an undo to take away the last thing that you've done. Do a couple of undos if you need to. Put them back here, just keep going. So that's handy. Now let's make a purposeful mistake here. Show you the eraser. So there is an eraser function, and you can go in and just erase anything that, any small thing that you don't want there. So it's pretty easy. You can continue to have your students make all kinds of designs. Maybe they're doing some writing or research first, and you ask them to do an invention, create something that has not been created before, work together on some kind of design. There are some social media toolbar items at the top. I can just ignore those. Just stay with the drawing itself. So let's take a look at this vibration one. This is kind of unique to this tool. You can kind of see that it actually makes some movement in the image the higher you go. This is 20, which is, probably earthquake zone or tornado zone. It's quite wavy there. Or you can dial it down. If you don't like any waves at all, you can, go back to 0. So that's something that kids may like, to create a little bit of motion into their drawing. So you just select Save and counsel them to, the students not to, share on Facebook or Twitter, especially younger students. But you can email it or you can download the image. So there is a unique URL to it. May want to copy that URL. You can download the image. And then the image is saved to your local computer. Now, if I'm going to open up a new browser window, and I'm going to paste that link in that I just selected. And there it is, it's drawing the link again. And it even shows the results, so it kind of plays it for you. to show how the design took place. And I think that's kind of a very unique part of this tool too, that kids will like to see what they went through with it, and how they added to it. Now let's look at probably the most cool thing of all. Pick a color here, pick a size, a little bit bigger here. And look at that. You can continue to work on it. It can be passed on for somebody else to work on. So as long as you share that link, the drawing can be worked on, again and again. And it's a great collaborative tool as well. So this has some different functionality. I do like Google Drawing for many things because you can save your drawings. But this tool, Sketch Toy, has some unique functionality that I think kids will be drawn to. So enjoy using Sketch Toy with your students, and thank you for watching.